Good day for the night then. I had to get some rest for a moment. I had to sleep then. Oh, sis, what? Just, well, just want to hug you. I know you always sometimes like that, but why this time you feel loud? Because I want to sleep together. Maybe? Okay, if you want to then. Thanks, sis. I love you lots. Me as well. Come on, let's go to bed. Well, can you take me to bed then? What? Come on, sweetie. You're not a baby. Come on. Okay. Alright then. Okay. You do feel sometimes very lazy. I'm not lazy. I just want to, love. Yeah. I guess we do very before we sleep. Sure. Sweetie, what are you playing? Playing games at the around the tunnel switch. Oh, what game then? Well, kind of like a mobile fight. Really? Yeah. So you want to do one then? Can I buy it? Sure. Here. Thanks. Oh, bother. I'm loose. It's okay, sweetie. I can help you then. Really? Just watch me. See? Wow! It's amazing. You did very good for me. Yeah. Well, that's not the strike. Yeah. For rubber strike should look bit, I don't know. Feel tired then? A little bit. Don't hug me hard, cause I can't believe, cause I want to. Oh, okay, if you want to then. Close the lights, open this headlights. That's really better for sleeping. If you want me. Yeah, in these walls, cause we both sleep together then. Cause I thought you can sleep alone now, right? I did. But when you marry me, cause I feel, scared? A little bit. Okay, I guess then. Sweetie, I'm so scared. There's two lights just went off the city. Oh, sorry. I feel scared then. Don't worry, baby girl. I'm here for you. Oh, thank you. Sometimes we do feel like that, you know. I know, cause we are best thing, you know. Although still have this one to care for when we're sleeping. Oh, you're actually so sweet. Indeed I am. Always be cutie indeed. Always. Okay, now I have to get some sleep then, and... Sis, what? Just want to. Again? Sleep like that. Sure. Okay, you can sleep now. Okay. Lovely indeed. Of course it is lovely. The sky very beautiful with stars. Sweetie? Yes, sweet? Right. Well, do you have work tomorrow? No, because it's my day off. Really? Yeah, because I usually work too much then. Oh, so do me. Because tomorrow do we go out together for dates then? Sure, why not? Okay. You feel sleepy then? Yeah, a little bit. Good night, sweetie. I always good night for you too, sweetheart. I guess I'm asleep. What? I want to watch that one. What do you mean? Well, you know, they of course I could get one long time to sleep there. Oh, I know. That's what makes me feel better then. And very cute for night. Sure, sweetie.